25 ano? 25?
Nung yung 21 yung araw na, 21.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly
Ito kasi para susunod ka ni Miss.
with his song. I heard he sang, I heard he had a style, and so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song.
Mama, makaikigan na. Pero ba tayo? Sabihan mo kung nakatanggal ka na ng pambaba.
Opo, tinanggal ko na po.
Oh.
Hindi ko naramdaman.
Yung last year po, hirap na hirap akong tulog. Tapos walang kinagalan. Nang mag-lose po. Last week na ulit. Kasi meron pang
Binigay ko sa yung tableta ng
Oo, meron.
Yan po, Noli. Yan po, Noli. Yan po, Noli.
Yan na naman yung mukha. Beso ka. Ano yun, ma'am?
Wala po, patient card ka na. Thank you. Kung wala mo yung yan po, Noli, patient card ka. Thank you.
Matera siya.